This one, Copino, of course, yun nga nasabi natin, it's Korean and Filipino. So, syempre,
Masayang binahagi ni Kim Chu at Paulo Avellino ang kanilang bagong series na project. Ang naturang bagong project nga nila ay may halong Korean at Filipino. Talaga namang naging sunod-sunod na ang kanilang mga projects at exciting din ito dahil may makakama din silang Korean cast.
it's Korean and Filipino. So, syempre, may Korea magic. We will go to Korea to shoot some of the scenes with Korean actors. So, this is something very new and very exciting.
Sa akin naman, we always find stories to tell that's very Filipino. And one part about this is, like I said, it's Copino. It's a story about Filipinos, Korean Filipinos, who are looking for their identities. So it's something very exciting, it's something unique to us, and it's something local that we can be proud of, hopefully. So the international audience watches it.
Cheers! Congratulations to both.
And yes, and also I'm very also proud to work with Pride dahil this is not only shown locally, this reaches to global audience din. Kaya nakaka-proud din that your work is being watched by other countries. Kaya thank you so much, Pride, for this big opportunity.
And to you, I'm also proud to work with Fragment U.
Samantala, isa sa naging rason ni Kim sa pagpunta ng Paris, ay ang pag-aaral sa paghawak ng negosyo, kung saan, ay siya na ngayon ang namamahala. Makikita naman kung gaano ka hands-on si Kim sa kanyang mga negosyo, at minsan pa nga matapos mag-live sa It's Showtime ay nag-online selling pa ito ng kanyang mga Little Bunny bags.
Thank you so much. Spread the word, everybody. Last Romantic Philippines Season 2, The Silent Noise, Love is Never Gone, The Loyalty Game, Copino, Honor Thy Mother, Behind Closed Doors. Thank you.